Hi, today I'm going to show you the third tunnel in the series. If you are a controller user like me and able to do basic editing, this is the tunnel for you. First, build two walls to form an L shape. Then, build a ramp behind the wall you want to edit out. As you could see, you will need to master some fundamental editing skills in order to use this method. If you are new in Fortnite, you may want to pick up the previous two methods as a start and gradually master this method. This tunneling method is controller friendly. It allows us to move at a constant speed with more protection and, at the same time, material saving. Here's the overview of the tunnel. Thanks for watching. I hope I have helped you.